Hi everyone. In this video, we'll see sets exercise number 2.1. This exercise covers questions on well-defined characteristic of sets and distinct objects of sets, and also how to represent elements of sets and how to write sets using braces in two different forms, roster form and set builder form. Let us see now. Set. Set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Here the terms well-defined and distinct have importance. Well-defined means there should not be any ambiguity in describing the members of a set. There should not be any ambiguity. Different people should not have different opinion on it. And here distinct means the objects should be listed only once. Even if one object is duplicated, that should not be represented. We should write only distinct objects. The objects in a set are called elements of the set or members of the set. Using symbol epsilon, we denote that one element belongs to the set. Any element does not belong to the set, we use does not belong to or this crossed epsilon symbol. Sets are written by enclosing all its elements between the braces. This curly bracket or braces. Curly bracket or braces is used in writing the sets. We use two different forms to write sets. One is roster form, or this is called listing form. In this form, all the elements are listed in the set. If listing of all the elements is not possible, only some of the elements are listed, so that we can find out the other unlisted elements. The second way of writing sets is set builder form. In set builder form, we use the unique property of all the elements in the set. Sometimes roster form will be useful and sometimes set builder form will be useful. In most of the cases, we can write any set in roster form or set builder form. For some particular cases, only roster form is possible, and for some particular cases, only set builder form may be possible. Now let us look into the exercise. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. This is based on well-defined characteristic of the elements of a set. Well-defined. The elements should be described without any ambiguity. No people should have different opinion on the elements of the set. Now let us see the first one. Collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter J. So everybody knows the numbers. Here the months are January, June, July. There is no ambiguity. So this is a set. This is a set. The second one, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. 10 most talented writers. So different people will give different answers to it. There is no particular answer for these 10 most talented writers. So this is not a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So here also different people will give different answers. There is no single opinion. So this is also not a set. Collection of all boys in your class. So there is no ambiguity. All boys. This is a set. Collection of all even integers. So all even integers, there is no ambiguity. So this is also a set. Now the second question, if A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, B is equal to 3, 5, 7, C is equal to P, Q, R, then fill the appropriate symbol epsilon or crossed epsilon. This is belongs to, and this is does not belong to. We read epsilon symbol as belongs to, and we read epsilon crossed symbol as does not belong to. So here set A is given as 0, 2, 4, 6. So in first question 0 dash A, whether 0 belongs to A set or not. So 0 belongs to A set. If we check it here, there is 0 in set A. So 0 belongs to A. Now the second one 3 dash C. Let us see the set C here. Set C is equal to PQR. But here we have 3 dash C. So 3 is not in set C. So 3 does not belong to C. Third one 4 dash B. Now let us see the set B here. B is equal to 3, 5, 7. 4 is not there. So 4 does not belong to B. Fourth one 8 dash A. Now let us see the set A. A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6. 8 is not there. So 8 does not belong to A. Now again C. P dash C. In C we have P here. C is equal to PQR. We have P here. So P belongs to C. Then 7 dash B. Let us look at set B. B is equal to 3, 5, 7. So 7 is there. So 7 belongs to B. Now the third one, express the following statements using symbols. Using symbols, epsilon or crossed epsilon. Epsilon means belongs to, crossed epsilon means does not belong to. First one, the element x does not belong to A. So x does not belong to A. So symbolically we write it like this. Here the second one is D is an element of the set B. D is an element of the set. That means D belongs to B. So D belongs to B. Third one, 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers. We represent natural numbers by letter N. So 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers. So 1 belongs to N. Fourth one, 8 does not belong to the set of prime numbers P. Here letter P is given for the set of prime numbers. 8 does not belong to the set of prime numbers. So 8 does not belong to the set of P. 8 does not belong to P. Now state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. 5 does not belong to the set of prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. like this. So 5 is a prime number. A prime number has factors only one and the same number. There should not be any other factors. So we know that 5 is a prime number, but here it is given 5 does not belong to the set of prime numbers. So it is false. The second one, S is equal to 5, 6, 7 implies 8 belongs to S. So here set S is given as 5, 6, 7. 8 is not there. 8 is not there in S. 8 is not in S. So we should write 8 does not belong to S. But it is given 8 belongs to S. So it is false. Third one, minus 5 does not belong to W, where W is the set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers begin from 0 and other all positive integers. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This is the set of whole numbers. So here minus 5 is given. Minus 5 is a negative integer. It is not a whole number. So minus 5 does not belong to whole numbers. Minus 5 does not belong to W. So what is given is true. So this is true. Next, fourth one, 8 by 11 belongs to Z, where Z is the set of integers. Z is the set of integers, negative integers, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. These are integers. 8 by 11 is a fraction, it is not an integer. So 8 by 11 does not belong to Z, but here it is given as belongs to Z. So this is false. Write the following sets in roster form. Roster form or listing form. We have to list all the elements. If not possible, we have to list some of the elements. Now, first one, b is equal to x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. So x is a natural number. All the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. So b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural number smaller than 6. It is given as smaller than 6. So we should write up to 5 only. The third one, c is equal to x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. So given number has 2 digits. It is a natural number having 2 digits, ones place and tens place only. The sum of digits should be 8. So here we cannot keep 0. In tens place we cannot keep 0 here. So let us start with 1. 1. The sum should be 8. So 1, 7. 2, 6. 3, 5. 4, 4. In this way 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, 1 and 8, 0. These are all the numbers, 2-digit natural numbers having the sum of digits as 8. So we can write the set C as C is equal to 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80. Third one, D is equal to the set of all x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So let us find the prime factorization of 60. 60 is divisible by 2. So we get 30 when divided by 2. Again 30 is also divisible by 2. We get 15. 15 is not divisible by 2, but 15 is divisible by 3. We get 5 here. 5 is a prime number. We stop it here. So 60 is equal to 2 square into 3 into 5. So the prime numbers which are divisors of 60 are 2, 3 and 5. So D is equal to 2, 3, 5. So we should not repeat. Even though 2 has 2 times here, we get it 2 times here, we should not repeat it. The fourth one, E is equal to set of all x such that x is an alphabet in better. What are the alphabet or what are the letters in the word better? So E is equal to B. We can write either small letters or capital letters. B, E, then T. We have written B, E and T. This T is getting repeated, we need not write. Again E, it is also repeated, we need not write. Then R. Now the sixth question. Write the following sets in the set builder form. Here it is given in roster form. We have to write it in set builder form. The set of 3, 6, 9, 12. By looking at the numbers, we understand that they are multiples of 3. So they are multiples of 3. So set of all x. So x such that x is a multiple of 3. So let us write it as 3 into small n. Here n is a natural number. N belongs to capital N. And there is a restriction on n. N can be 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 into 1, 3 into 2, so 3 into 3n here. 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. Up to here, only up to 4 only here. So n is restricted by value 4. So n is less than or equal to 4. Second one, the set of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now looking at the numbers, we understand that they are powers of 2. They are powers of 2. This is 2 power 1. 4 is 2 power 2. 8 means 2 power 3. 16, 2 power 4. 32, 2 power 5. So we can write it in general 2 power n. N has values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means n is less than or equal to 5. So the set can be written as set of x such that x is equal to 2 power n. N is a natural number, small n is a natural number. So small n belongs to capital N. And the restriction on n is less than or equal to 5. The next one, third one, 5, 25, 125, 625. So looking at these numbers, we understand that they are powers of 5. 5 is 5 power 1. 25 is 5 power 2. 125, this is 25 into 5. So 5 power 3. 625 is 125 into 5. So it is 5 power 4. So here in general it can be written as 5 power n. N takes the values 1, 2, 3, 4. So n can be written as n is less than or equal to 4. So we write the set here, set of all x such that x is equal to 5 power n. Here small n belongs to capital N. And the restriction on small n is small n less than or equal to 4. The fourth one, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. continued up to 100. So here by observing these numbers, we understand that they are all squares. 1 is square of 1 square. 4 means 2 square. 9 is 3 square. 16 is 4 square. 25 is 5 square. So like that we will get 36, 49, and here it is 100. 100 is 10 square. So the general form of writing this one is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. They are natural numbers, say small n square. N takes the values 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 10. So we can write it as n is less than or equal to 10. Now let us write the set in set builder form as set of all x such that x is equal to small n square. Small n is a natural number, so small n belongs to capital N. The restriction on n is small n is n less than or equal to 10. Now the seventh question, write the following sets in roster form. Here set builder form is given. We have to write in roster form. First one, A is equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. So x is a natural number, that means 1, 2, 3 like this. These are all natural numbers. Here there is a restriction. Greater than 50, the natural number should be greater than 50 and smaller than 100. So here the numbers should fall between 50 and 100. So we start with 51 and end with 99. So A is equal to, let us start listing 51, 52, 53. So listing all numbers is not possible here. So we will mention, we continue like this and up to 99. The second one, B is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer, and x square is equal to 4. So x is an integer. Integer can take positive or negative values. Here the restriction is x square is equal to 4. 4, we know it is a perfect square, so 2 square is equal to 4. But here x is an integer, it can take positive and negative values. So minus 2 square is also 4. So the values of x are plus 2 and minus 2 also. So b is equal to set of minus 2 and plus 2. There are only 2 elements. Now the third one, d is equal to set of all x's such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So d is equal to the letter in the word loyal. Loyal, we have L, O, Y, A, and L is repeated. We need not write L. So D is equal to L, O, Y, A. Eighth one, match the roster form with the set builder form. Let us see, there are 4 sets. Left side is numbered with small Roman numbers. Right side is named A, B, C, D. Now let us write a letter in the bracket. 1, 2, 3, 6. Here x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. X is a prime number. So here 1 is not a prime number. So this is not the correct answer. Then x is an odd natural number smaller than 10. So here we have 6 even number. So this is not correct. Then C, x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 6 are divisors of 6 and natural numbers. So C is the answer. Second one, 2, 3. So looking at them, we know they are primary numbers. First one is here A. A is x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. So the divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. But they should be prime numbers. So 2, 3. This is for 2. Answer is A. We match 2 with A. Then third one are given MATHEICS. And here it is given D. In D, a letter of the word mathematics. So here T, A are repeated. A and T are repeated. So they are not written here. For third one matches with D. Fourth, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all odd numbers. Now looking at B, x is an odd natural number smaller than 10. So fourth one matches with B. See you in next video.